Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the silverware basket assembly. These instructions apply to some Whirlpool, Maytag, or KitchenAid brand dishwashers. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The silverware basket holds utensils in place during the wash cycle, allowing water and detergent to reach all surfaces for proper cleaning. Over time, the basket can crack, warp, or break, causing utensils to fall through or become improperly positioned. This can lead to poor cleaning results or utensils interfering with the spray arms. Replacing a damaged silverware basket keeps utensils properly organized and helps ensure consistent cleaning performance. If you need to purchase a replacement silverware basket assembly for your dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. To remove the silverware basket assembly, open the dishwasher door and slide out the lower dish rack. Pull the silverware basket straight up until it's free from the lower dish rack. Discard or repurpose your old silverware basket. If you need to purchase a new silverware basket assembly, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. Search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to be sure that you get the correct part. The replacement silverware basket that you receive from Parts Doctor may look slightly different than the original that came with your dishwasher. This is an official change made by Whirlpool. To install your new silverware basket assembly, slide it into the right side of the lower dish rack. Once you're done, slide the lower dish rack back into place and close the door. Your dishwasher is now ready to use. Alright, that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin from Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.